All right, ladies, welcome back. Welcome back. This is your girl's first nail video, so bear with me. This is going to be on the makartt pump up tips in the purple color out of their set. I have the short stiletto versions. My nails are pre-prepped. I have already filed both away the shine, and now I'm using my Model Ones dehydrator. I also use the Young Nails Protein Bond during this set, and then the Burano 3-in-1 base coat. When I tell you that Young Nails Protein Bond is the truth. This is about 2 weeks after recording this video, and these nails are on, no lifting, no nothing. So I already have the nails pre-etched on the inside, and now I'm taking the Saviland polygel in the color DP03. It is one of my favorite glitter polygels to use. It is absolutely beautiful. It's a sheer clear polygel with glitter flakes. They're kind of like hollow glitters. They've got some big chunks, some small chunks in it. And then my sip solution is just rubbing alcohol. It is a 70% isopropylene alcohol that I like to use. I use it to spread the polygel and make a thin layer inside of the nail tips. Any excess I am just taking off at the tip and at the back. You want to make sure that you try to do a thin layer, just thick enough for you to adhere the full cover tip to your nail, but not so much to where you have a lot of spillage. It will save you on the long run in the filing. And sorry if you guys hear any noise in the background. I have a 2-year-old and a 5-year-old, and the 2-year-old likes to play with his cars right when I'm trying to do my voiceover. So as you can see, I have applied the polygel. I'm going to use my flashlight to cure the nail or flash cure it to my nail before placing it inside my big lamp. I put the tip on and ensure that it is straight and apply light pressure. You want to make sure that your tip is straight and in place before you place it near the light, because you don't want to cure it. As well as I take this time to clean the underside of the nail, and then I apply the light pressure and place it in front of my light. I cure this for about 5 seconds just to ensure that it is on good before moving to the next nail. Some trial and error that I found while trying to record this video, as well as while doing this method. A lot of times I got out of focus, or the shadow from where my camera was sitting above, so I had to constantly readjust and try not to show you guys my goodies. I'm very sorry. Once again, this is my first time recording a nail tutorial. I promise I will get better. I'm working on angles. I have ordered some additional lighting, but yeah, so let's get back into applying the nail tip. So basically I take the next nail tip and I take the glitter polygel again and place that inside of the tip. Some people don't pre-etch the inside of their tips. From the videos I have seen, they use a primer to do it. But I basically just took a small sanding bit and did the inside of my nail tips. You'll also see what I did a little later in the video when I got to my non-dominant hand, was that I went on and put the polygel in all of the tips and put them on the stands before I started to apply them to my nail tips, and this made my application a lot easier and a lot faster. Thank you, Kason. Thank you so very much. So at this point in the video, I'm basically just applying them one by one, putting the polygel inside the nail tip, flash curing it, and then moving to the next one. That was taking a little bit longer than I wanted it to, so I decided to do all of them at one time. The stands that I am using are from Amazon, and they're basically just like your nail stand. They came in, I think, silver and this pretty pink / rose gold color, and they came in a 10-pack, basically 2 stands, 5 little stands per kit, and it also came with the little tacky layer, or it's like poster tack that you use to hold the nail in place. So I have gotten the second one on. It is nice and sturdy, as you guys can see. And this is where I was saying it was taking a long time, so I decided to do all of the nails at once. And I believe this is a part of the video to where I skip ahead and do that, because I did not show you me applying the whole entire hand on this side. So as you guys can see, I have all the nails pre-prepped. I am now doing my dominant hand with my non-dominant hand, which is why I chose to do that. Same Saviland glitter that I used on the other hand, and I've went on to put that in all of the nails, as you can see. And then I'm still using the same Cure Light. These flashlights, by the way, they came from Amazon. They came in a 3-pack. It came in pink, blue, and green. And I want to say it was like $9.99 for the 3-pack, so not a bad price to get 3 of them all in one. So I basically keep one at my nail desk. I keep one in the car, as well as a tube of clear polygel in case your girl has, you know, a mix up, a slip up with the nail, because you never know, honey. You got to be fly all the time. So yeah, I keep that in my car for emergencies. And then I have just a spare in case something happens to one of those too. So I am going to cure on the rest of these nails, and then I'm going to start to decorate the nails inside the video. I don't believe I showed you guys me actually applying my stones and my stickers that I use to decorate the nails in this video. I believe I just showed you guys the ending product and me curing the nails. What I would like to see, ladies, is what would you like to see from me content-wise? Would you like to see more videos like this with voiceovers? And what would you ladies recommend to not get the shadow while I'm recording? What I found a lot of times was that I used my camera on a tripod with it pointing directly down, but the shadow from the camera a lot of times made it too dark to where you couldn't see what I was doing in the nail video. So right here, I have all the nails on. I'm basically using a hand file, and then I use my e-file to go around the cuticles. And then I place my stones on with a little stone jelly that I got from Amazon. This came in a kit with some of the larger rhinestones that I have on, and then the stickers came from Amazon as well. I just used the blue butterfly stickers. If you are wondering about the containers that I have my stones in, those guys came from Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree, honey. Do not sleep on them. They were $1 a piece, and they were awesome. So basically what I have done now is taken a little bit of alcohol that I have in a spray bottle, and I've sprayed it on my nails, and I'm using it to wipe away with a lint-free wipe. And then trying to clean up my station. As you guys can see, I spilled a little bit of top coat over in the corner on my mat. Luckily, it is a silicone mat that I can take and wipe off. And now I'm going to take my cuticle oil that came from Amazon as well and place that on my cuticles so that they're not all crusty and busted, because your girl did foul around them. And then I put the stones on, and they've been under the lamp, so I want to make sure they're nice and hydrated and, you know, oiled up so that I can continue to do these videos for you. So I'm going to rub that oil in now, and then I'm going to show you guys the finished product. Once again, breaking news, this is my very first nail video. Bear with me. I will get better. I don't give you guys a really good clear shot of the finished product of the nails because of, like I said, the lighting and the glare. I'm working on that. I promise I will get better. If you have any tips or tricks, please let me know. Should I switch to using my iPhone instead of using my camera? Look at those nails, though. All right, your girl did pretty good there. Slow-mo for you again. Let me see. Bam. There they go. Check them out. Like, comment, subscribe.